Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by converting the Amazon gift card into Amazon Pay balance. Open the Amazon app, go straight to gift cards, and choose Redeem a gift card. Enter the code exactly and confirm. Once done, make sure your Amazon Pay balance reflects the credited amount. This step is necessary because the gift card value becomes usable only within Amazon Pay. Keep your app updated and your account verified so the balance is immediately available for payment flow in the next steps. Once your Amazon Pay balance is loaded, enable Amazon Pay UPI inside the app. You need to create or link a UPI ID under Amazon Pay UPI and bank accounts. Follow the prompts and verify with the OTP to your phone. Make sure you select Amazon Pay balance as the default payment source where possible, because some merchants let you choose UPI but still draw from Amazon Pay. This allows you to use the gift card value for UPI-style payments at supported merchants. To finish, pick Amazon Pay UPI at checkout or scan the merchant's Amazon Pay QR and confirm the payment. You will see Amazon Pay balance applied if supported. If the merchant does not accept Amazon Pay UPI, switch to Amazon Pay Wallet checkout where available. If a payment fails, check your Amazon Pay balance, update the app, confirm your UPI ID and mobile number, and retry after clearing cache or restarting the app. If problems persist, contact Amazon Pay support for balance or transaction assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.